Hello, I'm Hayk, and I have the honor to represent HARSLE. One of the main objectives of our company is to save time for people. Remaining faithful to that objective, I will talk briefly and with the facts. HARSLE is a company with a history of more than 20 years, which produces metalworking equipment, press brake, shearing, door embossing, hydraulic press, punching, laser cutting machines. We successfully cooperate with more than 9,000 partners from more than 100 countries. HARSLE is an optimal combination of price and quality. We provide further high quality and quick service of our product. HARSLE, made in China. Made in China? Made in China? Yes, made in China. Let's listen to our partners.
Do'stlar, mana HARSLE kompaniyasi bilan biz birgalikda ish qilyapmiz. Bularda texnik sozligi, gidravlический press, hamma tomonlari qulay, elektrikalari, все germanskiy texnologiyalar asosida qilingan. Hamma yo'qlari kачественный. Hech qanaqangi muammolarga duch kelganimiz yo'q. Mana 1 yil mobaynida почти ishlatyapmiz. 2 yilga garantiya bergan. Texnik обслуживание o'zlari kelib texnik sozligini tekshirib ketadi. Telefon orqali, internet orqali aloqaga chiqib turamiz. Har doim biz bilan yaxshi ishlashyapti bular. Kompaniyalarga gap yo'q. Asosan bizning nol qoldiraydigani shu texnik sozliklari, ayniqsa buni elektrik nimalari kачественный veshlar bo'lgani uchun juda chiroyli xizmat ko'rsatyapti bu sananglar. HARSLEga gap yo'q.
Hello there. My name is James Allen and I'm a director of Abra Aluminium, which is an aluminium import company of which we source product from different countries around the world. About 1.5 years ago, we decided that we were going to start manufacturing one of our own products, which was security windows and doors. We needed some specific machinery, which was some press brakes, an automated guillotine and some different punching mechanisms. We did a bit of research and found that HARSLE Machinery Company, which was located in China, had some very specific machines that would have enabled us to have a very good fabrication and manufacturing facility. About 1.5 years ago, we went to HARSLE Machinery Company in China and met the engineer, the international sales division, and also those people that are designing specific machines. And in 2018, we actually started to manufacture, and we were using the HARSLE brake presses and the specific automated guillotine system, which was specifically made for our requirement to cut some of our material, and we've been very, very happy. The quality of the machinery is exceptional, and whilst we were going through the teething process, we had some issues regarding setting up, which was to do with the software and the background support that we received from Jimmy from HARSLE and also Chen, who's the engineer, is exceptional. So we're very, very happy regarding the quality of the machinery, the after-sales service, and our intention is in the next year we're going to expand, and we highly recommend that we will be using the HARSLE machinery in the future.
This is too good. Operating system so easy. This is all of these are very good. Okay, done it. Okay. This computerized system is so easy by operation. This is no any difficulty to operate. This is all computerized CNC system. This all, and also this electrical system is also good. It is best manufacturing of HARSLE. Good. One thing is that is a product which is made by this machine. This is only 90. This is the length of this is 6 meter, and this is almost 4 meter, 3 meter by something. So this is a product of this machine. It is working very good.
HARSLE stanogini olib keldik biz 2018-yil oktyabr oyida, mana 4 oydan beri ishlatyapmiz. Yaxshi, ishlashi zo'r, muammosiz ishlaydi. Mana bunaqa kichkina detallarni bukishga, hamma bizlarni ishlab chiqarishimizga yaxshi bu narsa. Mana Toshkentda joylashgan bu narsamiz. HARSLE stanogini biza taklif qilamiz. Olishda ishlash prinsipi hamma narsasi joy-joyida. Hali olib kelganimizdan beri masalan 12 soatgacha ishlagan vaqtida ham muammosiz, hech qanaqa muammo bo'lmaydi. Mana shu ishlab turibdi. Servis xizmatlari ham yaxshi, mana o'zlari kelib hammasidan o'sha muammolarni o'rganib, yo muammo chiqmayaptimi so'rab turadi har oyda, har haftada.
By the way, we're an easygoing company because the managers of HARSLE can speak 3 languages: Russian, Spanish, and English. Добро пожаловать в семью HARSLE. Bienvenidos a la familia HARSLE. Welcome to the HARSLE family. HARSLE. Save time, money.